Hey everyone, Eric Kimball here with another video, and today I want to introduce you to my portable summer seed starting greenhouse right here. It's portable because it is on a whiz-bang garden cart. I built this whiz-bang garden cart in 2006. It's modeled after the old Gardenway garden carts, and in 2007 I published a plan book. Anyone can build a whiz-bang garden cart with all the details. That's available from planetwhizbang.com. Now, being portable on a cart, being portable, also at a very convenient working height, this portable greenhouse can be moved by the door of my house. I can come out in the morning and check my plants, and then it can be rolled into the sun. It can be taken out to the garden. Being portable is a nice benefit. Other than that, it's made with an old pallet. It's made with some PVC hoops, and we're going to get up close and show you the details. I made a video a few days ago about Growtherm plastic, ventilated plastic, and how I use it in my mini bed garden with hoops over the mini beds to get some plants off to a great start. And that concept of the hoops and a Growtherm over the hoops held in place with a polypropylene string strung around the perimeter and clothespins or binder clips to hold the Growtherm plastic in place when I want it to be closed like that. It's the exact same thing I'm doing in my mini bed garden, but I'm doing it here on a pallet on top of the garden cart. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier, it's at a very convenient height and it's portable. So I can open this up, and these clothespins happen to fit over this pipe. If they didn't, I would find another sort of clamp that did. This is a summer seed starting greenhouse. I'm not starting plants for planting in the spring. That would require another kind of greenhouse, I'm sure, not this kind. This is for in the summer, when I'm growing plants to plant for the fall harvest, or when I'm growing beets, which I like to transplant, and also I'm bush beans. I'm finding out that in my particular garden, the best way to grow bush beans is not putting the seeds in the ground. For some reason, they don't grow. But if I put a transplant, a bean transplant in the ground, they grow, and they grow great. So anyway, whatever, that you figure these things out, trial and error, and you figure out what works for you in your soil and your climate, and that's kind of where I'm at with that. There you can see the bottom of the PVC, and there's a screw there. I put a screw up through the bottom. Actually, I put it down through the top, and this fits over the screw. Okay, and then to secure it even more, I've got a piece of wire here. It goes around and holds that. It's very secure. It's just an old pallet with cardboard on the top. And I have these Lee Valley seed starters, self-watering. And these are the best, I think. I had these years ago. See, they've got that capillary mat. And I had these years ago and used them and loved them. They've been around a long time. And I had mice. After a few seasons, they were in my shed, and mice chewed them so bad that I threw them away. And then I've tried to use other pots and other ideas, and finally this year I just bought some more of these. And they are intelligent design because they've got a little bobber here. Ooh, yikes, I gotta get some water on that. Oh, it's probably because I'm tipped up. See the little bobber going up and down? There's one problem with the portable greenhouse. If it's not level, your little bobber on the Lee Valley seed starter system doesn't bob up and down. But anyways, I like that little bobber. It actually does tell you if you have your water level getting low, and or you can just look in there, and that makes it easy to pour your water in. This is another self-watering seed starter thing I bought from, I thought their name was on here. Yeah, Gardener's Supply Company, and they don't hold a candle to these Lee Valley starter kits. These are a good investment. I liked them years ago. I'm glad to have them again. There's the idea, and we can wheel that right into the sun, and we can work on it easy, and it will hold 6 of these self-watering seed starter trays. And I have 6. I've got 3 of the Lee Valley and 3 of the Gardener's Supply, and I wish I'd bought 6 of the Lee Valley. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching.